tamarindo, or maybe this is called Holé Molé. I'm not sure. We were recently in Puerto Vallarta, and we were at a restaurant called Tintoque, and I had this drink that was mole in a cocktail, and man was it good. And I just thought, well, there has to be a way to make this, and so I've worked on this, and I think I got it. So we're going to put some ice in our shaker. Loud noise, and then we are going to take our tamarind syrup, which you can see, you can watch the video on how to make that. 1 ounce tamarind syrup. We're going to take 1 ounce each. This is a Oaxacan mezcal, and the mezcal has a little bit of a smoke and sweet flavor, and it's, you know, it's made from blue agave just like the tequila, but it just is a little different flavor. And this is a tequila that was probably habanero, some kind of spicy.
I can't remember what peppers we
put
used.
some kind of pepper in here to make it spicy, and it's a nice tequila. So we're going to take 1 ounce of that. So now, you know, if you don't have mezcal, you could use 2 ounces of tequila. If you don't have tequila, you could use 2 ounces of mezcal.
And it doesn't have to be spicy.
Who's going to be? And 1 ounce of agave syrup.
I think everyone should have one of those little, it's called a Japanese jigger.
These are handy.
Yeah, especially when it's like at some weird measurement, like 3/4 ounce.
And you know, the other measurer is this. It's a 2 ounce cup. If you pour
Shot glass, you mean?
shot glass. If you pour up to this line, it's 1 ounce. If you pour all full, it's 2 ounces. So now, the only thing we need now is 3 ounces of our mole nectar, mole milk, mole juice, whatever you decide to call it.
Mole.
I thought it would be mole nectar. And there is a video on how to make that. 3 ounces. Kaboom. Then we are going to put some ice, fresh ice, in our glass. That'll do for starters. We are going to shake. And always smile when you shake. Like you're having the best time in the world. Because that makes the drink better.
Yeah, and you're also supposed to have the tin facing your customers. Oh, not too hard. Easy. I've got this part figured out. I'm usually a drink maker. There you go.
Kelly usually is the drink maker.
I've got that figured out.
This one falls on me because I invented it.
I like how the prism is making your face match your shirt. Okay, back to the drink.
Okay, so we put our garnish on here, like that.
Ooh, you could probably like almost hook it.
There we go.
Beautiful.
And there you have the delicious Holé Molé, or Mole Tamarindo. Let's see how we did.
Suggestions welcome on names. Is it Rainbowlicious?
That's really good. Yep, I would, yeah. This drink has come out well. The mezcal, I can taste the sweetness of the mezcal in there. It's really nice. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. And we will see you next time. Holy moly!